So I first met Kelly when she came through YMCA doors as a participant on one of our projects, and Kelly just had this charisma and this personality that just lit up the room. So YMCA Swansea's Youth and Community Department offers youth work across 4 key areas of work, and for those 4 key areas of work, Kelly runs our LGBTQ+ provision.
The LGBTQ+ service is enabling young people from the LGBT community to be able to access a youth group where they are accepted with their peers and being able to be themselves. If they can't come out in schools or they can't come out at home, our youth group is empowering them to be who they want to be.
Kelly helped me grow by giving me the confidence to change my name. Riley is not my legal name, and I hate my legal name. But I've never had the confidence to go, that's not my name, this is my name now. But yeah, if I didn't have Kelly in my life, I'd still be going by my legal name. I feel really happy every time anyone calls me Riley.
For me, Kelly helps a lot, even if she doesn't notice. It's just giving me that safe space that I may not have had before then.
She is a force to be reckoned with, and every single young person that she meets ends up being impacted positively and their life changes.
Thank you for everything that you've done for me and helped me with. I don't know where I'd be right now if it wasn't for you.
So it means a lot that you've always been there by our sides and my side. I really appreciate it, and I love you.
Please don't cry. I can't deal with people crying.